Hi guys, welcome back to Loudly Car Drivers. I just got a package. Yes, package, and it came from the Belgian brothers. And you wanna know what it is? It's my tire tuning. And you want tire tuning? Tire tuning. Second, I'm gonna open it. Yes. Now I'm gonna pimp my tires. You see, I'm gonna open it. Curious. I hope it will be easy. I hope everything is easy, but I'm going to see what we must do. This is the instructions. Okay. I do not understand anything of it, but okay. You see instructions. Yeah. Okay. And now this is something else. More instructions, but in my language. Something else. Oh yes, there is more. There is more. You like more? Now it's empty. Okay. This is my payment. This is, do not know what it is yet. I got some gloves. What is this? Some stickers from that company. I'm gonna put it on the car. Maybe we shall see. Oh, I need to scrub it. It's a P80. You have P80. Schuurpapier zeggen ze bij ons. And we have I think it's something to put it on it. Is the skin irritation binds high bond tire. Okay. It will be gluing lime, I think. So I know what I'm going to do today. Yes, and I like it. This is okay. So this is rubber. Nice clean rubber. This is the red one. Do it first, and then we have the Mich, and then we must have Alain. So Michelin. Oh, don't want to lose anything here in the car, but I'm excited because I want to do this. I love it. Okay, I see. This is the Mich. This one's here. Okay. It's all stick together. I know many people, when you are excited, you don't get in the house, you must open it right away in the car. So that's why I was thinking, okay, let's film this. I just got it, guys, and I think in 15 minutes I'm going to put it on. Now we have, hello, we have okay, I hope you will see this. We'll go, okay, this is the Mich. shall I? You see, this is going on the tires. So yes, got some tire tuning. Woohoo! And that's very great because tomorrow I'm going to Germany from some other YouTubers. They are gonna reviewing my car, and you wanna know who? They got 3 million subscribers. That's literally more than I have. So don't forget to subscribe. I want to have the 3 million now. Yes. No. Auto Top NL. Wait, I'm going to look them up. Auto Top NL channel. So these guys, yes, these guys are going to review my car tomorrow, and you're going to do the top speed, I think, from 100 to 200 in, I do not know in how many seconds it will go, my car. Maybe a 0 to 100. Okay. I'm curious, so that's for tomorrow. But now, you're going to, yes, must go on the tires. Okay, chop chop, work, right now. Okay. Bye.
I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get a tip at Subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, yo, maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics that we call the rap game. And back when ain't nobody listened to my mixtape. And back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is no Decatur, what's up, Bobby Drake. So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this shit? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Jump into the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Walk into the thing you have and make me feel weak, girl. Free. Cause anytime I whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it on repeat, girl. Me not touch a dollar in my pocket, cause nothing in this world ain't more than what you worth. You worth more than diamond, more than gold. Just take control. You want more than diamond, more than gold. We have to just get out of control.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills and have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills and have fun tonight. I don't need
So guys, the wheels are done, and I'm happy about it. It's very nice. I like it. I like it very much. The quality is very good. It's a real good thick rubber, and with a good glue on it, and it sticks on the tires, so that's good. Now I'm gonna to drive the car, and I hope they will stick on it. If not, then I will put some glue on it. But was it easy? In the beginning it was not so easy because you are thinking how to do it, where to place it. But actually you just read the manual and follow it, and it will go good. Yes. How long does it takes to do all the tires? You have to know it's 8 of them, 4 tires, but 8 Michelin stickers. So it was thinking 1 hour and 1 hour and a half. But okay, the results are nice. So I'm happy. So guys, I will put a link below for the where I bought it, so you can look at them. And if you like it, you can do it yourself. It's not so, it's not easy. What I wasn't to say, but it's easy. It's not easy. You have to just do it. Do it, okay. But okay, that's all. You will see me tomorrow. I'm going to drive to Germany. From the top auto, and now are going to review my car. So do not forget to subscribe, and see you later, guys. Peace.